Hello everyone, myself Supriya Bodke. My native place is Nifad, which is located in Nasik district. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from Pune Vidyarthigras College of Engineering, Nasik. In that college, the Qspiders has come and taking the drives. In that drive, I got selected. That's why I am incubation student here. Incubation student means I got full course in free of cost. And I joined Qspider Deccan branch. Here it's helped me to learn new technologies like Java, SQL, testing as well as some soft skills. It's the environment of Qspiders Deccan is best environment for improving or enhancing our skills. And here is I am learning Java development. And in Java, in Qspiders Deccan, I got trained under the trainer like Tejas sir and Ravi Tejas sir. Ravi Tejas sir teaches SQL, Oracle. It's helped me to crack the interviews regarding SQLs. They may, as I like data analyst requires SQL, lots of SQL knowledge. In that, sir teaches SQL to me. And Tejas sir, here the Tejas sir is head of Qspiders, means they teach the Java full stack training, and in that they teach me lots of knowledge regarding Java. I afraid about the Java and programming language. I am able to solve the programs and codings, and also the when I try and I want to solve my own logic. It's I fail again and again. I fail to apply my logic in that and try how for tackle this issue. I joined this Qspiders, and Tejas sir helped me a lot to inbuild my logic in programming. It's helped me a lot, and also I am joining here. So I taking the knowledge of many technologies. Thank you.